There's one advice to my research scholars who are pursuing PhD or who want to pursue PhD is, don't be over ambitious. Think of a simple topic. See, you're not publishing, you'll be publishing one or two papers at a Scopus index, right? So don't have that very complicated topic, and that you think about what happens about when somebody's enrolled in PhD, they want to do everything in one particular paper in their PhD topic. Don't do that. Make it as simple as possible. Second thing is, don't rush. Have patience. There will be time that your particular topic is going to be rejected by your supervisor. It does happen. Same case goes for the research papers also. What happens about, you submit it and it gets rejected. It happens, it gets rejected by 10 journals. Again, don't feel disappointed. Every paper that you have written has a destiny and has a destination, right? So none of the work anybody does goes in vain. Important is about that, just don't think about doing one thing and just sleep, and after 3 months you think about it. You can be slow, right? But don't be that slow that you forget what you have done it, right? And second thing is about, don't compete with others. Be your own competitor. That is very, very important thing I would like to suggest you. There will be time you will see your scholars, your colleagues, they are getting published, they are publishing their papers, right? So don't think about, don't be in a rat race. You are an individual and have your individualistic personality. You are a gem, and what you are going to do, you are going to do wonders once you just set your, be your own benchmark. Again I say, right? Competition is there, but it should be within yourself. If you have done something good, do something better, right? Because what happens about, we don't feel for happy about what we have done. What we feel sad when others get successful. So remove that particular mindset, and do research, because it's about publishing or perishing. That is very, very much there. But don't take, you can, I would just suggest you, please don't take shortcuts. Get data collected from authentic sources. Don't just manipulate the data. So people experience like me, my other colleagues, they also have not always had good days. They also had bad days. So don't think about these people have so many papers. We had a lot of things that have helped us to recover. But resilience was very, very important. So be resilient.